Hello, my friends. If you love Korean food, you have to make this kimchi cheese chicken sandwich. Absolutely delicious and entirely plant-based. Once again, I'll be using soy curls. My only regret is that I did not experiment with soy curls in the past. They're very easy to cook with. Just rehydrate it with some warm water and set it aside. And then grab your vegetables. Today, I'm going to be using bell peppers and onion. I'll be cooking everything in the oven on this sheet pan on top of this barbecue mat. Now, you can put it over the barbecue, but in the oven is so much easier. Sorry, sweetie. Mommy's right here. Mommy's right here. I sprinkle a dash of olive oil and then put it in the oven at 450 degrees. You don't have to wait for the oven to warm up. Now let's get to the good stuff. Korean red pepper powder, Gochujang paste, sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and mix it all up. Next, you'll want to squeeze the water out of the soy curls and put it in with the marinade. Then mix everything up. Whoops, I almost forgot garlic again. These are my garlic chips from the freezer. Very, very simple. And I'm just going to put one in there and then mix it up. It'll slowly melt. Lastly, you want to grab some kimchi. I just have some store-bought from Costco kimchi. You want the kimchi and the kimchi juice. The veggies got a head start in the oven, which is now set at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour over the soy curls that are marinated and mix it up and put it back in the oven. Wow. You want to talk to Mama? You don't need to bother washing that bowl. You're just going to take some gochujang paste. My paste is a little bit dry, so I poured some hot water on it and try to soften it up. But put some more garlic if you must, butter, and really work that through. This is going to be spreaded onto your bread. I got this 50% off bread. Please buy a better tasting bread. This sandwich was absolutely delicious, but it needed a better bread. Okay, I'm going to toast these into the oven. Better yet, I would have put the cheese on and then toasted it back in the oven. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's amazing. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. I took the soy curls out of the oven, tossed it around, and then put it back in the oven. Ooh. Next time, please put the cheese on top, then toast the bread. I already toasted mine. These melt right on there. This sandwich was absolutely delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10. Go ahead and give it a try, especially if you love Korean food or spicy food in general. Jamakan!